Tim Cook takes a $35 million pay cut that he recommended. The Apple CEO's target compensation will be lowered by more than 40% in 2023, according to the company's latest proxy filing. Well, what is this compensation? What is this, Will? Because the man has interest in the company performance. He has stocks and so forth. Does he not?
Yes, he definitely has stocks.
Interesting. Well, I'm sure he has all the advisors in the world that are like, hey, well, let's restructure, let's rearrange a little bit.
And it's a good title, you know?
Oh,
for
you know what it's like? It's like
it's
like when the athlete goes, you know what?
I'm gonna give it back.
We want to win the championship this year.
Yeah.
And in order to attract more talent, I'm going to take a pay cut to get under that salary cap.
Exactly.
And everyone goes, all the fans are like,
Brilliant. Amazing. Yeah. I mean, that's a lot of money, though. Jeez.
I just wonder if you heard I wanted to hear my Voss one last time. Yeah, it's a lot of money. Not for Tim, it's not. Tim Cook is taking a big pay cut at his own recommendation. Cook's target compensation decreasing by $35 million in new regulatory filing, dropping from $84 million in 2022 to $49 million in 2023. Changes come entirely from an adjustment in his equity award value, which makes up the bulk of Cook's total compensation. The value is estimated to be worth $75 million, but this year the estimate drops to $40 million. His base salary of $3 million and his annual cash incentive of $6 million will remain the same. To set Cook's new pay, the Compensation Committee on Apple's board balanced shareholder feedback, Apple's exceptional performance, and a recommendation from Mr. Cook to adjust his compensation in light of the feedback received. So the group got together and the board, and they said, hey, Tim, listen, bud, it's out of control. You got $100 million last year. Did you really need $100 million? And Tim's like, well,
It'll be nice, you know.
I take your recommendation. I go down to 40. All right, leave me alone. Cook actually made $99.4 million in 2022, according to the filing. So compensation could differ. I suppose there's probably some kind of performance compensation stuff that might not show up in the initial specifics. Is that possible?
I think so.
So maybe that's how you end up making more than the original agreement anyways.
I'm guessing there's more incentive in there as well.
And if a lot of the compensation here is equity awards, then it's really going to depend on the value of the company. So in other words, if the stock is doing extremely well when those rewards are administered, then that's going to be worth more than was originally speculated at the time you made the agreement. So if the board seems to think, oh, you know what, this stock price is going to go up and your compensation package includes a certain number of shares, then right now, if we negotiate those shares at one rate, that might be a little bit different at the time that the payout is actually triggered.
For sure.
So it could be some sort of hedging of sorts. He'll be fine. Tim Cook will be fine.
Okay, I hope so.